Hello, my name is Chris Callahan, and I'm just going to be doing a screencast on how to use Duolingo, how to set up the app, and I suppose how to use and interact with the app. Okay, I suppose if you're watching this video, I'll be your Spanish teacher for the year, and this is just to give you a quick run through of how to download and use the app either on your phone or on the purposes here, we'll be doing it on a laptop or a desktop. Okay, before we just start the video, I just want to show you just a little quick thing. You see up here. If you've any trouble listening or following the video, YouTube have this. If you've any trouble hearing anything I say on the video, if you click down here, there's a little CC thing. It allows you subtitles that are authored that come up as I speak. So you can click on that there, and it'll help you follow it if you kind of find something hard to say or something hard to follow. And it's really handy there. So if you want to click on that, just to make it a little bit easier for you to follow what I'm saying. So we have just if you want to click on Google Chrome here, we're just going to Duolingo.com, or sorry, this one here. So we're just going to get started here with Duolingo. Duolingo is really handy. It's something you can do every day. So the one we're doing today is we'll be looking at the Spanish. Looking at Spanish, but if you want to learn more than one language, that possibility is definitely there. And you can also do Irish as well if you want to incorporate that as well. So the first thing that we're going to see when we come up here is, when this loads into it's kind of a bit slow, is how long do you want to use for. You have a couple of different options. You have casual, which is 5 minutes a day, regular 10, serious 15, or insane 20. I think the one to stick to here is regular. It's nice. It gives you 10 minutes a day. It's really nice, not too much. If you want to push yourself that a little bit harder, you can go for 15, but I just recommend the 10 minutes a day. But that's completely up to you. Okay. If you want to help keep your daily goal, you can go with Facebook and they'll give you reminders, or with Google, but we'll not bother with that for your video. But it's something that you can definitely think about using as well. So I suppose for most of the guys here, if you're watching this video and you're in my class, you'll be probably new to Spanish, okay? But if you've already done some Spanish, you can try the placement test. But here we're just going to have a look at some of the sample exercises now that you'll be doing as we progress through Spanish. So we'll just click new to Spanish. So the first option we've got here is the girl. Okay, so what you do here is you've got to click whatever one you think it is. So you click on here. So obviously you can judge by the photographs as La Niña.
La niña.
And then you'll hear it on the app as well. I hear it off the microphone here, so it might be the clearest on the video. So La Niña, and we're just going to click check. So we've got that correct. So you'll see a green tick down in the bottom of the screen here, and you'll see that there'll be some progress. Your progress bar up here will go. So the more ticks we get, the more progress we're making here. Okay, so we'll just hit continue. Next one, la woman. So we're going to say la woman. Obviously, you can judge by the picture. It's going to be the middle one. It's going to be la mujer. So we're going to hit check again. Tick. So we've got 2 in a row up now. So we've got 2 in a row. So we're flying through this.
La niña.
So La Niña. So here so this is one testing your listening comprehension. La Niña. So we have to try and figure out the translation. So La Niña is the girl. You have to check. So now we have 3 in a row. So we're doing really well. Okay. Now, just to show you what happens if you get an answer wrong. Okay, a little red marker. We'll just say it's wrong. Will come up. Okay. So the boy looking from the pictures you can judge is El Nino, but we'll just, for the purposes to see what it's like to get a wrong one, we'll just choose La Mujer. Okay, so we're just going to check. Wrong. So see is X here. And then it gives you the correct solution here. So what we should have chosen was El Nino. So we're just going to continue. Don't worry if you make a mistake in the app. It's not the end of the world. And, we all make mistakes, and you just keep going. So don't get too beaten down or think, oh my God, I'm terrible at Spanish. Just keep going, okay? El hombre. And we're just going to check for the man. Perfect. So now we're back up and going. We made more progress up here.
El hombre.
El hombre. So once again, so here we're hearing our test and our listening comprehension. El hombre. So I say the man. Check. Perfect. There we go. We're back up and going. Continue.
Yo soy un niño.
So here we have to do this translation again. So we say I am a boy. Check. Just there's 2 other little options here. If you want to click down to report, if you think there's something wrong, you can. And there's also a discussion forum where if you click on here, you can discuss with other people why the sentence is what it is, and it's a good way, if you want to chat to other people about it, that you're finding really something that doesn't make sense, which is a very handy little thing here as well. So select the word for the boy. We're going to choose El Niño. We're just going to check. Be 4 in a row. We're nearly finished. And then we're just going to wait. So it's very simple and easy to use, and it's something. So here now, you'll see when you got this, these are XP. So we've just got 10 XP. XP is short for experience points, and as you'll get more XP points as the more language tasks you do. So you make it 10 for this, or maybe for having a streak, you'll get another couple of points. But you're trying to build up as many XP points as you can. So we had a bonus of 3 in a row, so we got 3 correct answers in a row, so we got an extra 3 XP points, okay? Time to create a profile. That you can create a profile here, and you can use it for, having a presence online, and you can use it to match up and meet up with your friends online, or you can, do competitions or games with your friends, and it's something a really good way for you to, it's a really good option to have. So really recommend doing it. We're not going to do it in this video, but it's something I would recommend you doing, okay? But we'll create a profile later. Just loading here. The other cool thing is, yes, we've just got it. So that was the topic we're doing at the moment. Okay, so we were just working on the intro topic and just some of the basics. Up at the top here of the screen, you have stories, which is another way where you can do little activities where you're going through Spanish and you have to try and figure out what the story is with little gap fills or testing your vocab, which is really interesting. Discuss is the option here where you can chat to other people on boards about different things and different topics, which is really cool. Shop then is, if you click onto the shop here, just to show you very quickly, just to explain more about the XP points, is you can create a pile to get bonus skills and all that there. So like you can use your XP points to buy to save a streak, or to buy or to get other options opened up or other topics opened up, which I will show you in a later video. And then there's more here, events, there's different podcasts as well that exist on Duolingo, and there's a dictionary as well that can track your online progress. I will explain all these in later videos. The key thing that I really want to show you today is how to go to your settings here on your account, and what I'll do, sorry, I'm just going to quickly create a profile. Sorry, so I'm just create a profile. So here, this is what you have to do. So if you want to join the classroom, which is what I want to show you at the moment. Oh, sorry, that's the account I already have. So we're just going to log in. So we're going to log in. So whenever you create your create your account, what you do there, you will be able to join a classroom. Okay, so this is an account I had earlier, and the profile is a really good way for you to, I suppose, track the assignments that I'll be giving during class, which I hope that you will use and you will be able to interact with, because it is a really cool way. Okay, so what I want you to do is, when you get to join a classroom, is you'll be clicking on here your account, and you're going to go to settings. Okay, whenever you've been on settings, you're going to go to progress sharing. Okay, when you go onto your progress sharing, what you want to do here is you're going to join a classroom. Okay, so the classroom code is, whenever you type that in there, like I'll give you I think it's a 6-letter digit code I give you. So I have one written down here, and whenever you type that in there, you'll be able to join the classroom, and you'll see the assignments and activities that I'll be assigning during the year. So that's where you're going. That probably is the trickiest thing to do. So you're going to account progress sharing, and you just type in the code, which I will give you, on there, and then you'll be able to join the classroom. That's an example there of a classroom that I've used before. It'll come up down here in my classrooms. Is that okay? Thank you for watching the video. I suppose that was the key topics I wanted to show you today, was how to join the classroom, how to set up the account, what I think you should use as your daily goals. We also had a look at how to go through some of the basic activities and joining using the microphone or engaging with the microphone that turns on, and some of the activities. And then I suppose the key thing, if you're joining my classroom, is how to join the classroom and where to put in the classroom code. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, please do so below the video, and thank you very much for listening. Adios.